Hello my friends, welcome again to this our channel. I am Walinton Mosquera and I'm here from Mandeville, Jamaica. Just giving you another update of how our beautiful town is during these days in January 2021, and especially now that our precious little town is on their curfew time starting at 7 p.m. every day. And this curfew is due to an increase in cases for COVID-19, unfortunately, and we are expecting that this can be contained so that we can continue moving freely in this town. Yes, I'm just going to show you how the town is so that you don't get scared about the situation. Maybe sometimes we see on the news or we see videos that people put over there and probably you get scared. So I'm just going to show you there is some development happening here at the left, and soon I will be updating you and showing you what is happening there as well. We are coming here to this supermarket. This is one of the supermarkets that is the first one that you find when you are coming into the town. It's a Chinese supermarket, so I came here to find some few items. However, I was trying to see and I saw too many persons there waiting, so just decided to move a little bit and see if I can find a parking spot. And let me translate for the persons who are here watching and only speak Spanish. So estamos diciendo que estamos transmitiendo desde aquí. Este es Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica, y estamos aquí en este supermercado. Es un supermercado chino que es uno de los primeros que encontramos al llegar al centro de la ciudad de Mandeville. Estoy buscando un lugar donde parquear, pero luego pues estoy viendo que hay demasiadas personas. Habían personas haciendo fila, por eso mejor decido salir y buscar otro lugar. El lugar que vemos allí al frente es un nuevo edificio, una nueva construcción que pasó muy rápidamente. Eso parece que va a ser algo muy grande. Más adelante les estaré dando una actualización de qué se está construyendo allí. Alright, so let's move forward. We decided just to leave since there was there was too many persons waiting in there in line. So I decided just to leave and we continue showing you the city. There is a big development here. I will give you more updates later on so that you can see big things are going here in Jamaica. Alright, so this is the area of Willowgate Plaza, and as you can see, even the police here doing their regular patrol. And you probably will be wondering why you see so many persons walking in this area. Well, if you are not familiar with Mandeville, then let me give you an update. De pronto te preguntas por qué hay tantas personas caminando en esta área. Pues como si no eres de Mandeville, te voy a dar una pequeña actualización. What's happening is that in this area, this is the commercial area of Mandeville. So it's the middle of the town. So most of the supermarkets and shops are in this area. So that's why you will see people walking up and down. Today, fortunately, we didn't see the amount of people that we saw the day before, but still we have a lot of people walking and so on, and doing their shoppings. Hoy, por ejemplo, hoy no vemos muchas personas circulando por este lugar como en el día de ayer. Sin embargo, todavía vemos muchas personas. Mencionaba que vemos tantas personas porque esta es el área prácticamente comercial de Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. Por eso vemos tantas personas caminando, aunque hoy no se ven tantas personas como se vio en el día de ayer, cuando se anunció el toque de queda, donde las personas tenían que terminar a las 7 de la noche. Okay, so let's continue, let's move forward. This thing at the left that you see there is the market. As we can see, today is empty. Well, today, and I'm doing the review of this video, it was recorded on January 26th and doing the review on January 27th. A little late, I wanted to do it live, but we have been having some challenges with the internet, especially at night. That is the time when I can do it, since I work during the day, but the internet at night sadly is dropping the speed, so I wasn't able to do it. But let's see, we still see people walking here, and this is normal life. But I'm happy to see that a lot of people now are being a little more conscious, and they are at least trying to find protection, you know, because it was interesting to me that at this point, when we are having this global pandemic, I had seen people all over around, and a lot of people said that COVID is not real, and then they don't use any kind of protection. So don't do it for them and don't do it for the other people. So now we are having an increase of COVID cases here in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica, and that's why we are under curfew, trying to reduce. I'm hoping that we don't get sick, or any of the persons that I don't want that for anybody here in Mandeville to happen. Mandeville is a small place and we love it so much, but we don't want the people to get sick. Alright, let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Este es bueno, por allí habíamos pasado el parque. Esta es una zona donde paran los autobuses. El parque está a la derecha, Parque de Mandeville. We still see people walking. Here, if you pay attention, now you see people wearing their masks. There are a few of them that still reject to do it, even if this increase has come here to Mandeville, Jamaica. This area is usually very, very congested. You see it today. Not a lot of people. However, when you see about 5 p.m., this number increase, right? And this turn that we are doing here, we are practically passing here behind Basco. Not sure if many of you know about Basco. Basco is one of these stores that sells everything. Vamos pasando por la parte trasera de Basco. Es uno de esos lugares, de esas tiendas que venden de todo, y entonces podemos conseguir muchas cosas en este lugar. I want you to pay attention to this part of the road, because I am going to show you another video about the condition of the roads here in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. We are going to make a right turn, and this is to be able to show you more, because going right is where we see more people really walking. This area, you see many taxis are parked always on this area at the left. En esta área siempre vemos parqueados los taxis. Ustedes, las personas de habla hispana, quizás pues algo más que les voy a decir de Jamaica, fíjense en los automóviles. Cualquier automóvil puede ser un taxi, pero miren bien, los que tienen la placa roja, esos son taxis. O sea que puede ser cualquier modelo de automóvil, es un taxi aquí en Jamaica. Lo único que lo diferencia de los automóviles privados de servicio particular es que tienen una placa roja, y los de servicio particular, la placa es blanca. Okay, let's go a little more so that we can see in details on this part of the road. I'm happy that it wasn't so congested at this moment. People are being more conscious about this situation now. So at the right, we have Juicy Patties, where you can buy your patties. A la derecha tenemos Juicy Patties, que es donde venden estos famosos patties de aquí de Jamaica. And right straight down, we can see Ward Avenue. It's another road. Just pay attention to the roads. Careful attention, because I'm going to show you in details in another video something that is happening here. Alright, we have Tasty Patties as well, and we have Scotiabank at the right. And right beside Scotiabank is First Global Bank as well. There is another bank. El banco que tenemos allí al frente es Scotiabank, y al lado, en esa misma calle que está allí derecho, hay otro banco que se llama First Global Bank. The street that we are going to take now, we are going to turn right. That street where the vehicles are moving right now is Caledonia Road. La calle que estamos viendo ahora, donde los automóviles se están moviendo en este momento, se llama Caledonia Road, y es una de las carreteras que todo el tiempo estamos circulando, porque es una de las principales aquí en Mandeville. We are circulating always in this road, Caledonia Road, because it's one of the main roads here in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica, and that's why we are always mentioning this road on the videos. Alright, as you can see, today is not so congested. So fortunately, let's go here inside Scotiabank and let's check how the line for the ATM is as well, since we are having a lot of people just securing their money so that they don't have to be coming into the town so much. Vamos a entrar aquí al banco, vamos a ver la línea, ¿cómo le dicen a esto? Drive-thru, que sería donde podemos pasar, retirar dinero del cajero automático directamente de nuestro automóvil sin bajarnos del automóvil. Entonces esta es la entrada de Scotiabank. This is the entrance for Scotiabank for the drive-thru. So we are going to check how the line is. Today is not so long as it was the day before. The day before we could come all the way here where I am right now. There were many cars. And yes, as I say it again, my intention is not to get you scared, but also just to be mindful of what the situation is at this moment, and we take a little more precaution so that all of us as a community can be safe and healthy. So this is the situation. We don't see much. Fortunately, people are being more conscious now that we are experiencing these new cases that you are hearing on the news. And probably when we see on the news, we can see some videos that may scare the people, but this is the reality. So I am just showing you in details how the town was on January 26th, the 26th of January. So it looks calm to me. Yes, so fortunately that's it. However, I'm going to show you a little forward, and you are going to see how Caledonia Road was. So I'm going to stop this one here, and we are going to come in the next one. I hope that you give us thumbs up in this one. We are going to give you another update in another video that is coming. We will take it from here, go back into Caledonia Road, and let's go to a few more supermarkets, and also let's go to Main Street and check those roads, how they were during this day. All right, so for now, just to remind you that we are going to be doing some live streaming during this month and the upcoming month, but it's important that you activate your notifications. You probably you are subscribed to this channel, but you don't have the notifications activated. So I'm going to ask you, please, you see the bell that is beside where you see subscribe. Just activate the notifications for this channel and you will see when we post a new video. Voy a pedirles a las personas que están suscritas a este canal que de pronto ustedes no tienen activadas las notificaciones, y es por esa razón que no están recibiendo los videos cuando estamos haciendo live streaming o cuando está pasando en ese momento. Vamos a estar haciendo videos en vivo durante el mes de febrero y otros meses y seguidamente también. Entonces activen las notificaciones para que de esta manera puedan estar enterados de primera mano de cómo está Mandeville y qué está pasando aquí. So tell you again, just activate your notifications so that you are aware from first hand on how is Mandeville, and you can see in detail, calm, without getting scared. We show you the reality of Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. So no more words. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. I am Walinton Mosquera.